Unlock the secret to getting more views on your pocket option or trading guides with killer Canva thumbnails. First, head over to Canva.com and in the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail. Select the Create a blank YouTube thumbnail option to start from scratch, giving us maximum control. Now, let's get branding. On the left-hand side. You'll see various tabs. We're going to start by using elements. In the elements search bar, we'll type in keywords relevant to trading, like stock chart or up arrow. Choose a chart that visually represents growth, resize, and position it to fill a good portion of your thumbnail space. I'm going to place this one on the left side. To make it pop, let's add some color. Select the chart and choose a vibrant, attention-grabbing color for the trend line, like electric blue or lime green. This contrasts nicely with the background. Next, let's find a compelling image. Go to the Photos tab and search for terms like Forex, trading, or money. Pick a high-quality, relevant image. I'm going to opt for an image that conveys action or focus, perhaps someone looking at a trading screen. Drag this photo onto your canvas and position it. You can even send it to the back to create depth, placing it behind our chart graphic for a layered effect. Now for the crucial message, go to the Text tab and click Add a heading. This is where your video's main point comes in. Type in your video's core message, something like pocket option strategy or easy trading profits. Make the text large, bold, and easy to read from a distance. White or a bright color works best. I'll use a clean, bold font and make it white. You can add a secondary line of text, like a call to action, in a smaller font. Let's add Unlock Profits Today below the main title. Finally, let's perfect the background. Click on the blank canvas to bring up the background color options. Choose a color that complements your chosen elements and text. Consider adding a subtle graphic element, like a glowing circle behind your main text, to draw the eye. And there you have it, a professional, click-worthy thumbnail.